Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making safety the priority. Shut off the compressor, open a bleed valve, and confirm the line is at 0 psi. Next, pick the correct quick connect size and type for your hose. 1/4 is common, and inspect the tubing end. Trim a damaged or oval end square with a tube cutter. Once done, examine the fitting's O-ring for nicks or dirt, and replace it if worn, because a good seal prevents leaks and saves you time. You now perform the core connection. Push the prepared tubing straight into the quick connect fitting firmly until you feel it hit the internal stop. This is how the collet grabs. Once seated, pull back gently to confirm engagement. If it pulls out, reinsert fully. For threaded male fittings, wrap PTFE tape clockwise and thread by hand, then finish with a wrench about 1/4 turn. Over-tightening can distort seals. Make sure collars or lock clips are in place. You finish by bringing the system back online slowly and watching the joint for bubbles or hissing. If you see a leak, shut down and bleed the line, then remove the hose, trim about 1/8 inch cleanly, and reinsert. Many leaks come from imperfect tube ends. If trimming fails, replace the O-ring or fitting. Use soapy water to locate tiny leaks and tighten threaded fittings a little at a time. You'll avoid damage and get a reliable, repeatable seal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.